Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Another box. Let's see. Motion sensor. Okay, it's a wireless welcome doorbell Pro. Here's the function. Okay. Here it is, wireless doorbell Pro. Here's a sensor. Not sure if it comes with batteries or not. Okay, there's no batteries here. Some mounting screws. Some stickers. Mounting. Yeah. This side, yeah, this, some micro USB, sound button, power button, no batteries, and then whatever it is, and okay, so that's everything. No micro USB here. Just you should assume that you already have it, but yeah, that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.